In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Monday.com plan using a web browser, specifically Chrome. Whether you've decided to transition to another platform or simply streamline your workflow, we'll walk you through this process step by step. So grab your device and let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, take a glance at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile picture there. Clicking it will open up a menu with several options. This is where things start to come together, as you'll want to look for the admin selection. It's important to note that you must be an admin on the account to proceed with these steps. So, if you aren't, make sure to contact someone on your team who has admin privileges or switch to the appropriate account. With that out of the way, we're moving on to the next step, which involves heading over to the billing tab. This is the hub where all subscription management takes place. So be ready to access all things related to your plan. Once you're in the billing section, search for either cancel subscription or manage plan. You'll want to click on whichever option is present. The wording might vary slightly depending on your current subscription status, but rest assured they lead you in the same direction. Upon clicking, you'll be prompted to follow a series of steps to confirm your cancellation. This is essentially to ensure you didn't end up here by accident. During this process, you might be asked to provide a reason for leaving. Monday.com appreciates feedback, and it's part of their effort to improve user experience. Feel free to share your thoughts, but remember, it's completely optional. Once you've confirmed cancellation, your subscription won't terminate immediately. Instead, it will end at the next billing cycle. This policy provides some flexibility in case you change your mind or need additional time to transition your tasks and data elsewhere. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip to enhance your offboarding experience. Consider exporting your boards to Excel or PDF. This allows you to keep a backup of all your data and ensures that you don't lose track of important information. It's a simple process within Monday.com. and can be incredibly beneficial if you wish to revisit this data later or integrate it into another platform. And that covers everything you need to know about canceling your Monday.com plan using Chrome. With these simple steps, you'll be ready to finalize your decision smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.